You won't be fast washing that thing.
I'm washing it.
Look at you. You're still on one. You're still on one. I rinsed everything.
I'm washing it. Just rinsing. Take it easy.
Here! Arrow! Yes! Arrow! Abomination of the century! Abomination!
Mama, what is it? Mama, what?
What is it? I'm not here. What is it?
Mama, stop now! Stop it! Stop this! Mama, stop!
What?
Stop this now!
I will not stop it.
Stop!
I'm not here. Idiot, you're here. Don't worry. We will see.
Stop all this now! Stop now!
I'm not stopping anything. I'm not stopping anything. This seedless palm kernel. Empty bottle. Marine rope. I'm not here. Marine rope. That's what you are. Marine rope, that's what you are. And
Mama.
don't worry.
I like one here in there. I like one here in there.
In the son's house.
I want to get in there.
You will know yourself. I know if you look at you. Look at you. You cannot even cast a baby.
It's okay, let's go.
You cannot cast a baby.
Let's go.
You want to make me permanent motherless?
Let's go inside.
Wait. Don't go away from me. I'm not here. You have not seen anything. You have not seen anything. Just wait. Idiot. Wait for me, I'm coming. You have not seen. Mba. I'm not finished, idiot. Give me children. You will not give me children. You are here washing clothes. Washing whose clothes? Your mother's clothes or your father's clothes? I'm not fear. Come and wash clothes. Let me see. Come and wash clothes. I need children, not clothes. Hey, idiot. I'm coming back for you. Wait for me, you will see me. I'm coming back. Wait, you will see something. You have not seen anything yet. I'm not fear. Seedless pumpkin. You need my money. Every day, you will do whatever you want to do in this house. No, I will not take it. Just wait. Wait for me. The next one is blow. Both left and right. That's what I will give to you. Then you will find your way. Wait.
Mama.
Papa.
Mama, what was the meaning of what you just did?
Oh, Lisa, I poured you water to wake you up from that sleep because I know you are sleeping. Yes, to wake you up from that slump. I know you are sleeping, oh, Lisa. How can you be wasting your fruit on a seedless desert? That seedless pumpkin, that coconut without water. How?
Mama, what are you talking about?
Metrono, I have not finished. I have not finished. Keep quiet. I am your mother. I need grandchildren. What is it? Go and get a wife to give you children that will keep your lineage. You are getting older every day. I'm just praying that one day you go to the bush, that boy swallow you from there. We don't see you again. Or maybe bike on them, use their bike on them to jam you.
Listen, Mama, nothing will happen to me, okay? Good. Nothing will happen to me. My wife will give me children when the time is right. And Mama, listen, if getting a second wife is the reason why you came to my house, back to your husband's house. I said back to your husband's house.
You're asking me to leave your house because of that thing you call wife?
Mama, I have said my mind. I will not warn you again.
Come and stand here. Come and meet me here. Let's do this. Come.
Grandchildren, I have not been able to bless her with.
My love, don't say that, okay? It's not your fault.
Then whose fault is it? Whose fault? The duty of a wife is to reproduce what her man gives to her. I have not been able to meet up to that obligation. As much as I hate to say this, your mother is right.
My love, please. You don't need to say this, okay? I know God will bless us with children very soon. Not just children, but grandchildren too. Please.
When? When will that time come? Is it when I'm old and grey? Or is it when your mother must have joined her ancestors? By that time, it's going to be a curse and not a blessing. This is a harder decision I had to make. I don't want to be a selfish wife. I don't want to be a selfish woman.
What decision are you talking about?
I want you to get yourself a wife.
May the gods forbid I bring in another woman into this house. I will not do that. Have you thought of the consequences? That will be a thorn on your flesh.
My love, I know. But you're not bringing in any other woman but my friend Oluchi. I mean, she's more than a sister to me. She's my childhood friend. I believe she will bring happiness into this home. Please. Please, baby. Your happiness is my priority.
Have you thought of your own happiness?
My life. Look, when you are happy, I am happy. Oluchi, my runaway friend.
Hey!
Oh, I'm happy to see you.
Kosarachuku. So happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you, my sister.
Manakoko, I'm not understanding what my eyes are seeing. Nah. If not because I know you very well, like I know you even when I close my eyes, I will know you are the one. I would have sworn by the heavens that you are not my friend, Kosarachuku. What is going on? Eh? Why are you looking so thin and shabby? What has marriage turned my beautiful friend into?
Oluchi will not understand. It's a long story. But my sister, you could have heard about this if not that you've relocated to your maternal home. You know now.
My sister, don't
it's
go
no longer
there.
a gist.
Something bigger than I am came to me and I had to go stay with my maternal people. But in as much as I've not been in this village for a very long time, I've heard stories and I totally know what you are going through. You know these our village people, their own day, their body. I know how they ridicule a man without a child for years. So I understand your husband coming home every day venting negative energies on you. Kono Gabulu, who would be looking fat when her home is not at peace. I understand what you're going through, my sister.
You don't understand. You will not understand. The issue here is not my husband, but my husband's mother, my mother-in-law. My sister, see, it's a long story. I want you to come home. Come to my house. Let's talk about it. It's been long. I have a lot to talk about, to catch up with. Biko, please come to the house.
Mr. Kwan, Biko.
Biko.
Why are you pleading? Asking me to come to your house, you're pleading. No, Biko, stop it.
The truth is that I've always wanted to come and see you, but procrastination wants to finish me. Oluchi and procrastination. But this time around, this is a great opportunity for me to come and see my runaway sister. Now, it's been a long time and I have plenty of gist I want to tell you. Trust me, I've missed you so much.
Are you sure you'll come?
Also, am I sure? In fact, I might even get home before you, but I won't come today.
Oh, my Oma. My
Coco!
dearest friend.
Coco! Nah, because you have to come back to your normal size. So.
My dear, I need it to you understand. Don't worry, you come to the house. We have a lot.
It's
okay?
alright. I'll have to clean it with cotton bud so that it will be able to carry the loads you have for me.
Oh, come to the house.
I will come. I will come.
I'm happy to see you again.
I'm more happier.
Oh, wait. Oluchi.
Coco.
Why,
Oluchi, each passing day, I can feel the claws of death piercing into my heart.
God forbid. What are you talking about?
My mother-in-law. My mother-in-law has vowed to make this home miserable for me because of my inability to bear her children and her son.
Is that what is bothering you?
You won't understand.
Ne, she will do nothing. Did you hear what I said? Your mother-in-law will do nothing. No, what is her problem exactly? Huh? Is it not her son that is supposed to be bittered? Why is she crying more than the bereaved? Are you God that gives children?
Oluchi is her son. Her only son. She needs children to continue her lineage. I don't blame her for that. I don't at all. My husband is a good man. He doesn't deserve this, and I don't want to be selfish. I don't want to be a selfish woman.
Fine. We all know that your husband is a good man, and he deserves better. But at this point, where do you think I come in?
My mother-in-law told my husband to marry his second wife.
Huh? Ikopana. Ha! Don't accept it though.
That is where I want you to come in as my co-wife.
What did you say?
I want you to marry my husband.
Impossible. I cannot do that. Kosarachi, what are you saying? Like, how could you even sit, think, and have the mind to say this to me? How? Like, it's so easy for you to ask me to be your co-wife. Why? Please, I can't do it. Don't even say it again. I beg you in the name of God. Don't say it. What kind of talk is this now? How can I share your man? Ha! Bao! Ha! Why will I share your man? You should be advising me to go out there and look for my own man. You're telling me to come and be your co-wife. Biko Acharam, Biko. Which one is... please, Biko.
I understand. I perfectly understand. It's not easy. I mean, telling you this without even thinking about it, it's not easy. I've thought about it. I do not want another woman to come into the picture. Or do you want another woman to come into this house and make this home miserable for me? I do not want another woman. I trust you. You are more than a sister to me, Oluchi. You're the only one that can fit into this position as my co-wife. And please, if you can do this for me, I'll be happy for the rest of my life. I believe in you. I trust you. Please, Oluchi. Please. Biko, oh? My husband. This is my friend, Oluchi. My very good friend. She's more than a sister to me. She was formerly staying in this village when her father died. So she moved to her maternal home. Oluchi, this is my husband. I will leave you both to get to know each other, okay? Okay, I'll see you guys later, huh? Excuse me.
My love, what is it?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
You know you're lying. You're my wife and I know when something is wrong with you. Listen, if it's all about your friend in there, I can ask her to leave if you're not okay with the arrangements.
No, please. Don't. No, I'm fine, just like I said. It's just that I feel so sad that I cannot perform my marital obligation by bearing children. That I had to bring in another woman to do that for me.
My love, why are you saying this?
Do you love her?
No. May the gods forbid I love another apart from you. Listen, all I am doing is just because of you. I love you so much.
What good have I done to the heavens to have blessed me with such an amazing man? Thank you.
It's okay. Come here.
My condition is getting worse day by day because I have no child. I have prayed, I have cried, I beg of my tomorrow. I have prayed, I have prayed, I have cried, I have prayed. I have done all kind of things just to have a child, yet nothing to show. One can more
Yeah. Musa, what was that for?
Mama, I can't take it. My heart is jumping. See me, boo, boo.
My friend, will you shut up? Just shut it up. I am not your mother. And I can never give birth to somebody like you. Yes, a heartless man in the form of a woman. No. I won't do it. I won't do it. Who cannot even give birth to children? God forbid. And you are calling me mother. For the last time, don't call me mother. Hanofia, your husband was there trying to clean up your mess and shame. All you could do is to shed crocodile tears. You have a plan. You have a plan. Kosara, I am very, very happy to disappoint you. Because the moment Oluchi drank that palm wine, she became my wife. She became a wife to your husband. And she became a wife in this house. Yeah.
My condition is getting worse day by day because I have no child. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego makwa, mamwe kwerabia. Abura fautumo. I have prayed, I have prayed, I have cried, I have ebego makwa, mamwe kwerabia. I have prayed.
Yes, Kosarachi. What was the meaning of that stunt you pulled last night?
Oluchi, are you in any way saying that what happened last night was planned by me?
You're asking me questions. Huh? No, if you did not plan it, who planned it? I did. Huh? Pretender. Let me ask you a question. If I'm not in this house to save your fruitless marriage, then what am I doing here? Huh? Kosarachuku, with the way you are acting, it has shown me that you have a negative motive bringing me into this house.
Oluchi, why are you saying this? You are not just a friend. You're more than a sister to me. I mean, how could you say a thing like this?
So I thought earlier. You know, I actually thought that I have a sister in you. But no, you have proven how dark your heart is and how selfish you are. You see what you acted last night? You allowed selfishness overcloud your sense of reasoning. You should be thanking me. You know I am here to give children. You know I am not as barren as you are. You know. So what is this? Now let me tell you. I am here to give your husband children. But you see, henceforth, I, Oluchukwu, will be your worst nightmare. I will make this house a living hell for you. You will regret coming into this house because I will not allow a barren woman like you steal my husband from me.
My sweet marriage has become sorrowful to me. They are mocking me because of my childlessness.
What just happened? Was that Oluchi, my friend?
Remember me, oh Lord.
It's too early for all this.
Don't be walking out on me when I'm talking to you. What is too early? Huh? What is too early? I'm asking you. You don't know our customs and traditions anymore? No, I am asking you. What is too early? So you don't know. You don't know. You no longer understand our culture and tradition. Okay? Oh, Lisa, you want to bring calamity into your household? I'm asking you.
Mama, what is going on? Eh? I don't understand what you're saying.
How would you understand? No, I'm asking you, how would you understand? How would you understand? You know nothing about our tradition and customs anymore. So you do not know that on the very first night, when a man and a woman gets married, the man makes sure that the woman is happy. If not, you invite calamity into your household. You are not aware of it.
Mama, as long as I'm concerned, I have done nothing wrong to Oluchi. Yes! I cannot sit and watch my first wife, Kosarachi, not being happy. I only went to her room to pacify her, and that's it.
Yeah!
When you're John Mercy.
No. Pacify what? Pacify a fruitless tree, seedless palm kernel. Pacify a tree without flower. Is that what you went to pacify? You are telling me that with your own mouth. Oh, Lisa, how does our sadness or happiness bring anything to us? What does that mean to this household? I'm asking you, will that sadness and happiness make her pregnant? No! You have a wife. So if you know what is good for you, concentrate on her, focus on her, so that she will give you children and me grandchildren.
Mama, please, I just don't have time for all this.
You will not have time, but I have all the time for you, just wait. You will see it now. I have all the time for you. By the time I fire you 2 times, she will get pregnant. Oh no. Hi. No. You are looking at me like an overfed baby. I hope you have done exactly what I advised you to do.
Yes, Mama, I
Good.
did. I gave her the peace of my mind. I told her everything you asked me to say, and I even did more. I also made her know that the battle line has been drawn.
Good. Now let me tell you something. Let me make you understand one good thing. That girl is not what? Is not your friend. She is your competitor. She is your competitor and she's an enemy. So when you want to look at her, you look at her like this. This is how you look at an enemy. You look at her like this. What did I say?
You said I should look at her like this?
Yes, like this.
Yes, Mama.
Then you will know. I've told you.
My sweet marriage has become sorrowful to me. They are mocking me because of my childlessness. Remember me, oh Lord.
My life. Why are you crying? What is it?
I have a question to ask you.
Okay.
Can someone love without life?
Well, without life, someone is as good as dead. But why the question?
You call me your life. You are close, but seem so far away from me.
I don't understand what you're saying. What is it?
When was the last time you spent a night with me? I mean, it's been weeks. It's been weeks. I've been lonely. Darkness has beclouded me.
My love,
Loneliness has beclouded me.
I am sorry, okay? Please. And I promise you it will not happen again. Huh? To show you how sorry I am, I actually got this beautiful gift for you. Yes. It's for you.
For me? Oh, it's a beautiful dress.
You like it?
I love those beautiful colors. My favorite
Really?
colors. Thank you.
Well, I'm happy you like it.
I love it. I'll put it on today.
Sure. In fact, let's go inside and see you change into this. I want to see how beautiful it is on you.
Really?
Let's go inside. Let's go. You'll change into it.
Really?
Yes.
My sweet marriage has become sorrowful to me. They are mocking me because of my childlessness. Hana muma watching me no one so. Remember me, oh Lord. You're my God,
Yeah, okay. What are you doing like this and like this? This thing you're wearing, it looks new.
Oh, come on. My loving husband got this for me.
Your guinea?
My loving husband got this for me. Isn't it beautiful?
Olisankem got this clothes for you.
Yes. Any problem? Don't you like it?
You ain't a goalie. Olisa bought the same clothes for you. The clothes he bought for me, Kogotelogi. You ain't a goalie. Eh? You are turning. Like this. Like this. No, come, let me turn you well. No. Like this. My illegally model. Come, let me model you well. Let me
What's going on here?
like this.
Huh?
No. Hey, model.
What is the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of what, Olisa? What is the meaning of what? No, what is the meaning of what? You want to know Uja drawing anya cha. How dare you buy the same clothes for me? Get it, come and give me that thing. If you touch this thing again, why you order? You had the mind to buy the same clothes for me and this fruitless tree.
And who told you it's the same cloth? Just because it sounds the same color doesn't mean it's the same cloth. Are you dumb? I mean, what moral justification do you even have to tear it into pieces?
Look at your mouth. You're asking me if I'm dumb. Look at the way you're even calling my name, Maluchi. As if you were there the day my mother gave birth to me. Eh? But this one, you call her your life. Tell me a tree that cannot produce fruits.
Come on, stay back here.
You see this one, this tree, you will cut it down.
Is your name not Oluchi? Eh? I mean, just imagine the beautiful clothes I bought for her that has made her happy. You just spoiled everything.
Why will she be happy? What right does she have to be happy in this house? Eh? Can she give you children? Jesus. I am the person you should be calling your life. Olisa, am I not also your wife? You should be coming, in fact, you should be worshipping me because very soon I will give you plenty children.
Listen, let this be the first and the last time you will lay your stupid hand on my wife. Are you mad? Eh?
My husband, my darling husband, stop wasting your strength on a fruitless tree. She will not be of any use to you. Come to me and I will give you life. Eh? Leave this woman, she's of no use to you. Listen to me.
Let me warn you. Don't you ever call her names again. I won't warn you again. Stupid thing. My life. My life. My life. My life, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Huh? Why are you crying? You know it breaks my heart to see you cry.
The same woman I brought into my home, my matrimonial home, to clear my tears, has been the woman that breaks my heart so much. Tears has become my companion in this house. You know that.
Please stop saying this, okay? Listen, I am going nowhere. I will be here with you all through. And trust me, I promise you she will never come close to you again. Please, you need to stop crying.
My heart is broken.
I know.
My heart is broken to unamendable pieces. I don't know why the heavens has secluded this evil rain to drench on top of the roof of my home. Why? Why me? Why me?
You need to stop this. Please, stop. Sweetie, it's okay.
It's not okay.
It's okay, please. It's okay. You can't continue crying like this, please.
magaji biko no biko wabugo onye ntera mwono bi tera bomanya ogini kamere papa ramasi maki fiwa.
Do you like it?
I can't remember when last I ate yam, roasted yam. Otoka.
I'm glad you love it.
Otoka.
Eh? What is this? No, I'm asking you. What is this? You are looking at me. You are looking at me. I'm asking you what is this?
Mama!
You are looking at me.
Stop this!
You are looking at me, Akoya. Hanofia. Step up, Mama. Idiot. Palm oil.
Mama,
Mama, what is this?
Seedless palm kernel.
Mama, what is this?
Just keep that one in your mouth. Keep it sealed up. If you open the eye of my mouth of this, I will blast you.
Mama, this is not right, too.
Huh? Keep quiet about this, Mama. Yeah. Nonsense. You are eating away your life and you are sitting down here eating palm oil and yam without any child. No children. All you know is palm oil and yam. And what you're asking me, Mama, what is all this now? If you don't close that mouth, I will remove the content from it. Idiot. You're cooking yam and oil. Yam and oil for my son.
Mama, it's okay now. She's in pain. My life. Sorry, eh? Sorry. Mama, where are you going?
You don't keep quiet, please shut up. Shut up. Shut it up right there.
My Lord, sorry. Sorry.
You are lucky I did not pour the palm oil on your head.
I have prayed, I have cried, Ebego Mamba, I have.
Oluchi.
Mama.
It is past 7 months. In fact, going to 1 year. I have not even seen you. I have not seen it. Let the talk of pregnancy or talk of miscarriage. That is why I am concerned. Because I don't really know exactly when this miracle will happen.
Actually, Mama, this thing you said has also been bothering me. But every time I think about it, one thing keeps coming to my heart. That maybe Kosarachukwu has tied my womb spiritually so as to get...
My friend, keep quiet. Just shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Shut up. That's why I get angry with you. It gets me irritated when you begin to accuse people falsely. If Kosarachukwu has that power spiritually or physically, she will have gotten herself pregnant long before now. Even before ever you see the shadow of her husband. What is that? Do you know the amount of insult we have heaped on that girl? That insult can make a dry land produce tree. So your womb is fertile. Nobody has done anything with it.
Amen. Amen. Oh. Everything you said is true. So what could be the cause?
Oluchi, it is in the daytime you look for a black goat. Because when it is dark, you cannot find it again. That is why I've gone to the next community to see that chief priest. You know him now, Kaka? Good. He has herbs that are very good that can make you get pregnant fast.
Mama, you know, I have heard so much about Okaka and how powerful he is. Mama, thank you. Thank you for loving me.
Don't thank me alone. As I'm doing my own, you too be doing your own. You cannot just lie down there like log. When the man comes, you just stretch your hand. There's nothing. What is it? That is not how it has to be done now. It takes two to tango. You give him cow style, monkey style, dog style, any style. You even climb top of the kitchen. Even if you fall, it doesn't matter. You know, as much as the child comes.
Do you know last night what I gave him was sheep style?
That is it.
I'm telling you.
You give him Malu style so that we have 2 children. But be careful so that one does not do like this.
No.
I wonder if not, you will take that one for yourself.
Mama, it's not like that.
Good. Here!
What do you think you are doing?
Are you blind to see what I'm doing? I'm trying to keep this compound clean and are you acting this way?
Clean of what? Eh? No, tell me, what are you trying to clean this compound from? Kosara Chupu, no matter how you sweep, if you like, sweep from now till December, sweep from January to December, from now till tomorrow, it will not be able to sweep your womb clean. Oh, you cannot conceive, means you cannot conceive. Accept that. I said more clean. What are you cleaning?
Oluchi, I'm really surprised at you. Your attitude, your actions, everything. I'm surprised at you. Is that you? Huh?
No, you shouldn't be surprised. Yes, it is I, Oluchi, talking to you flesh and blood. And what I am telling you is nothing but the fact. I am spitting the fact. Now listen, let me tell you. If there is anything that needs to be clean from my home, it is your barrenness. Yes. Carry your barren self to your father's house. Leave my home and stop infecting us with your unfruitfulness. Bikonu Gaba, let me come 1 minute or week. Let me drink water and keep cup. Bikonu, leave.
Have you forgotten who you are? Like, have you forgotten who you are? I brought you into my home. Okay? And there's nothing you're going to say. Like, there's nothing you're going to say that will get me under my skin.
Really?
And there is nothing you're going to say that will make me to leave my matrimonial home. Are you okay?
Really? Kosarachi, so you are trying to tell me that you have come to stay?
It's my home. I brought you in here. Yes, you're a stranger to my home.
It is your home, but what I have given your husband, you could not be able to give him in years. Since you have come to stay, it's all right. Wait for me. Watch alone. Maybe you want to sleep.
Are you mad? Are you mad?
What is it? What is it? What happened?
Mama, I can't see. I can't see.
Wait. What happened? Okay, tell me what happened. What happened?
She slapped me. Oh. Mama, she slapped me. I can't see.
Mama, you slapped me.
I will.
You slapped me without even asking me what happened.
I will not ask you anything, and I will slap you again and again. How dare you? I'm asking you, how dare you? How dare you raise your hand on her? Instead of you to pamper her, you are slapping her. Somebody who has come into your house to wash shame out of you, you are slapping her. Seedless palm kernel. Nonsense. What is the difference between you and this thing on the ground? I want to know, tell me the difference between you and this rubbish.
You didn't even ask me. Look at what she did. Just look at the compound, what she did.
Tell me, how are you better off than what is on the ground? If I'm going to compare the two of you, this dirt on the ground and yourself, are you better off? I'm asking you, you're looking at me. Nelemanya, you're looking at me. If you try it again, if you try raise your hand on her again, I dismantle you.
Mama,
Let's go inside.
where are you?
I'm here.
Have you blinded
When they
her?
slap you, say slap.
Have you blinded
They are
her?
waiting. Let's go.
Have you blinded her?
I'm not good. Let's go. Anytime they slap you, slap
Look at this compound. Look at what she did.
So what?
You asked me.
And so what?
He asked me what she did.
Let's pumpkin. Come on, fear.
Do not allow me to be put to shame. Oh, you're a I have prayed, I have cried, a beg of Papa, I have prayed, I have cried, a beg
What is the matter? What is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't understand my body system any longer. I feel so feverish. And I sleep alone, so weak and tired. And I crave for more sour food. I don't understand, seriously. God.
You feel weak?
Yes. Yes, Mama.
And you crave for sour food?
Yes. Hey! And I feel... Jim.
Kosarachi, you are pregnant. Yes. You are pregnant.
Hi!
Thank you, Jesus.
Are you sure?
Kosara, I am very sure. I am a woman. Not only a woman, I am a mother. So when I say pregnant woman, with all these things you are complaining, they are all signs of pregnancy. Ah! Hi! Oh! Hey! Stand up. Go and rest.
Huh?
Go and rest. I'm going in there to prepare for Salah for you. Just go and sleep. Oh? Okay. Gently. Get up. Yeah. Tomorrow I will take you to the hospital so that I will do tests to confirm it. Oh? You understand? Quick. Just go in and rest. Gently. Yeah. Go. Go inside.
The days of wicked ones are numbered. Just for a little while, all that.
I will beat you in this house. You have been trying me, Abby. Okay.
Aledo!
Hey, what? Hey! Mama!
Are you mad?
Me! Hey!
Oh.
Mama!
Come on.
Shout at me, baby. Mama!
Shout.
Continue shout.
Shout.
Why do you slap my sister now?
Mama,
Mama, you just slapped me without asking what transpired between us.
Rachel, come on,
I
shut
just slap
up.
my sister now.
Shut up! One more word from you, eh? Are you mad? Who is your mama? No, do I look like that which I gave birth to you? Or say mama? You are beating my priceless jewel. You want to disfigure her face for me. Shut up! Shut your mouth! Shut up! You want me to ask you what she did? What she did. Don't try it next time.
You didn't even ask what she did before slapping me. I saw her at the backyard breaking Papa's piggy bank.
I see. Mama, this girl is lying. It's Go.
I'm lying.
Yes, you're lying.
The same piggy bank that you told her to go and steal from so that you distract Papa. That's why you're not slapping my sister. Mama! You slapped me! Come on, shut up! You slapped me! Now listen to me. You witch and wizard. If I hear this word from anywhere, if this word leaves this place that we are, I will know that it is both of you that sold my daughter and I out. And trust me to skin both of you alive. Udala.
I must say, Papa.
Let's go.
You must say, Papa.
Wear your slippers, let's go. I said let's go.
You are still fighting. You want to fight?
I'm not here. Come and fight.
Papa must hear this. Why won't he hear it? I must tell him.
And remember to not let anybody know about our powers of seeing vision so that we won't be reeled. Okay.
Sure. Oh, this thing is choking me. Why did she slap me?
Don't know. You don't come that way.
When does this life intend to stop?
Papa is calling the both of you.
You're still here. Look,
Papa, kill them.
Kana Yochuku.
Papa.
Ola.
Yes, Papa.
I mean, when did this whole thing start? Huh? I am asking two of you that you no more recognize your elder sister again. Huh? Why did you involve in a fight with her? Are you too mad?
But because I was trying to...
Will you shut up your mouth? Did I ask you?
Your first statement was a question, and I quote, why did you and your elder sister Seruchi engage into a fight?
Thank you.
Kosara, is this how you've trained your children to talk to their father? Are you mad?
Please. He hasn't gotten to this. If you ask me, the way you're going about this is the wrong way. Oluchi and Sorochi came to tell you to feed their own part of the story. And you listened to them attentively. You even digested every little thing they said, hook, line, and sinker. Without even listening to my children, my own children. But my children, you refused to listen to them, to hear them out.
Oh, just
you
shut up.
digested every single lie they said to you, hook, line, and sinker.
Kosara, I said shut up! Shut up!
If you ask me what you are doing is wrong.
Listen, as long as I am concerned, you do not have any moral justification to tell me what is wrong or right in my home. Yes!
Really?
Yes!
Like really?
Yes! Now let me tell you, in case you don't know, you have failed in your motherly responsibility on training your children on what is right and wrong.
Wham!
Now let me tell you for the last time, Oledo. Let this be the first and the last time you will involve in a fight or whatsoever with your elder sister Sorochi. Am I understood? Am I understood?
Papa, I'm sure she will.
If I hear one more word from you, I will slap you.
Hey!
Now you all get out of my sight.
Because this year the kissing dollar
Don't hush your children.
You don't hush. You can go and train your children. Go and train your children. You cannot train your children. I beg you. They don't have single respect. That's why they want to finish my daughter for me. You can't even train your children. I said don't hush. Because qualify for office in a baba can.
I hope they did not hurt you.
They hurt me small, and I called them back.
It's okay. I promise you from now on they will not come close to you again. Okay?
But Mama, am I a witch?
Get it?
How will you say that? You are not. You are a blessed child.
Bam.
They are the cursed ones.
Are you not seeing their hair?
Okay? Do not compare yourself to them anymore, okay? That's my daughter. Smile for daddy, okay?
But the pain is still in my body after I will smile for you.
Nice.
Don't mind them. Ha! Di mama. Odogwu akataka. Dike na dimpa. Ha! Nwoke njem ọnụ. You see the way you handle this matter? I doff my heart for you. Now, you handled it like a man. That is why I married you. You are the man I married and I trust you on this. You see for this thing you did? Wadi. I will make nsala soup for you. Nsala na azụ ndụ. With azụ ọkpọnkwa azụ mangala. When swallow you niji and agwa. When you're done eating, I will take you to the other room.
Just imagine what you're saying in front of your daughter. Huh? And you're laughing. Huh?
It's okay. She's learning well from me.
Mama, why does Papa hate us this much?
Come on, don't say that, Oledu. Don't say that. Your father loves you. He loves you more than a father could love his children. Okay?
Mama, anytime I look through his eyes, all I see is an unquenchable thirst to devour us into pieces. Please, why is it so?
The blessing God gave me to wipe my tears. I mean, you children has now considered to be a curse. Each time I think about it, and each time I think about it, it pierces me like a sharp edging sword.
Mama, stop crying. Please. After so many years, it still hurts you this way. Anytime you remember it, you are always crying. Mama, I'm sharing your pains with us.
I will not allow you to do that. No. I will not allow that, Oloedo. It will make you bitter with your father, your stepmother, and even your grandmother. I will not.
On the contrary, Mama, it will make us more stronger and braver. Please, let's share in your pain.
Mom, no. No, I will not. Okay? I'll be fine, okay? Huh?
Don't worry. This one is very good. I know. Take this one first. Oh? I'll give you more. You want to take water?
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
I don't want to drink. Okay.
Take water.
Mama, Mama, my body. So,
I know.
I'm feeling so free.
That is how it is. That's how it is. Oh, don't worry, dear. It is one of the signs of pregnancy.
Mama, what is the meaning of that show of shame I saw inside? Huh? Mama, what kind of person are you? Why is it that you won't stay one place? Are you a chameleon? Why are you jumping from pillar to post? You jump here, my friend
will keep quiet. Just
today I am your favorite. Tomorrow, Kosarachuku is your favorite. Mama, choose a point. Choose one person.
Shut up! They're still talking. Shut up! That is what I said. You have the boldness, the heart to look at me in the eye and you begin to talk anyhow. Are you normal? Are you okay? Who cut your tail? Were you properly trained? Eh? Aluchi?
Mama, I'm learning from you. I'm learning from you.
Okay. For your information, the rejected stone has now become the cornerstone of the house.
Who is the rejected stone and who is the cornerstone? I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Exactly. You're asking me questions. See the way you're turning your head. I've told you severally that you have been overfed in this house. Your co-wife is pregnant.
What?
It shocked you? Yes. She is pregnant. So I don't have time for losers like you. Idiot is in what?
Kosarachuku pregnant? That is impossible.
Aluchi! Aluchi!
My love.
Aluchi! Yeah. Fast. Be careful. Don't match the
Stress
time.
yourself, eh? Hold him.
Aluchi!
My life.
Aluchi!
Baby.
Oh, get it!
Eh? Thank you. So you will now make me a father. Yeah? Look at her.
What are you doing at the backyard?
I was relaxing.
What is this?
I'm wearing clothes now. Why are you raising my clothes? Mama, why are you raising my clothes?
Why are you doing like this? Your husband bought you 10 yards of cloth. You use 1/4 to sew gowns.
Mama Jumaya.
And you are doing like this. Why are you hiding it?
This is a sexy gown.
Good, no problem. Watch over the house. I'm taking Kosarachuku to the hospital.
I should watch over the house?
Yes.
Eh? No, do I look like a security guard? Why should I be the one to watch over the house?
Thank God you know the name. Thank God you know the name. You are bouncing your mouth to shout, papa. Give me a child, it's Sumba. You will not give me. Even the one that has to do like this, so that I can manage as a grandchild. You say no. Well, you want me to come and watch over the house? Oh, Lisa, to come and watch over the house. Yeah, let's go.
My love,
Let's go. Gently. Oh,
The love of my life.
Gently.
Listen, I am. The love of my life.
Come on, take your hands off me.
Why are you doing this? Huh? Is it because that thing got pregnant before me, unfortunately? Is that why you're now treating me like an outcast in my own matrimonial home?
Oh, just please shut up your dirty mouth. May the heavens squeeze this mouth you use in calling me your loving husband. Oh, you're complaining now because you're beginning to have a taste of your own bitter poison. That same poison that you have been tormenting that innocent girl, Kosarachuku, just because you came into this house, unfortunately. I think this is your own time, so enjoy it. Stupid girl. My love! Robin!
I am not watching over any house, so if you people kept anything outside, just come back and carry it. Which one is I should come and watch over the house? Abi, I should watch over the house. Which one did you people say? What's the meaning of that one? No, because I just want the image Jesus. She's pregnant with Jesus. That's all we know here. Take it easy. Walk one. Bring your first leg. Bring your second leg. You people have not seen anything, no. If you kept anything outside, you will just meet everything outside. Mama, why is everyone acting weird? What happened? Mama, what is this? Mama.
What is manganing you there? What is my... Shut up! Shut up! Kosarachuku! Kosarachi! How many times did I call you?
My 3 times.
Thunder will fire you. Thunder fire you there. So you were not pregnant. You deceived me. That you were pregnant and now you had fever. Thunder will fire you there. I don't fear. So what you are carrying is fever, is malaria, not a baby. When I started celebrating the birth of my grandchild, Kosara.
Hey! Jesus! Chalukwa, wait. So finally, the chief cornerstone has gone back to its original position of being the rejected stone. Mama, what the so if truly this thing here were to be pregnant for real, this is how you people would have treated me in this house. You would have used me and mopped the floor. Eh? I like it. How many months? Take it one step. Take the other one. Carry your body up.
You are still touching your neck. You this idiot.
Ma, the doctor said you should give me the drug needed for the...
Thunder, fire you there. Thunder, we fire you there. In short, waka. All of them. To you idiot. The doctor said what?
They should give me drugs for the fever.
To come and deceive me more. No.
Mama, Thunder will not fire her. Bring one step.
Kosara, the doctor said you should take drugs to do what? To vanish a baby into your stomach or to bring it out, which of one? So you are pretending. She's still even doing that rubbish. You're touching your jaw. You're touching your what? Kosara, you're touching your jaw. Waka to you. No problem.
Hey, God, you are wonderful. Keep disgracing my enemies.
Have you seen? You are mad. Have you seen? Come
Mama, she's pregnant. She doesn't need to run. Tell her to carry her leg, carry the second one, and then her head will enter the house. Finally.
I am tired. I have got it up to this place. If you like, get pregnant. If you like, don't get pregnant. If she likes, let her give birth. If she doesn't like, you see, first thing tomorrow morning, I'm out of this place.
At least I did not say you are pregnant. Why? I am sick. Take one step. Hey! Keep disgracing my enemies. Keep showing them. Shake it. Rejected stone. Na chief cornerstone.
Mama, what is all
Papa,
this?
what is it?
Give me that one.
What sort of question is that? I'm going. You're asking me where am I going to? I'm going to my husband's house. It's enough.
Mama, stop it now.
If you don't let me stammer. If you hold my bag, I will piss you. Are you okay? I'm asking you.
Mama, what is all this now? You cannot leave me in this situation now. Eh? Look at what I am passing through already. No, you.
Very good. You are passing through. Have you seen it? Do you know that what happened in this house? I have announced it everywhere. Yes, I have told Mama Justina. I have told Mama Meka, that woman living beside you. I have told even Mama Josmark.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, in the market.
Mama Josmark.
Everywhere.
That woman that runs big eye pencil and big lipstick.
Yes.
That gossips a lot in the market.
That is it. Oh, so you know. Mama,
stop now.
Oh my bag, I will kill you, idiot. Nonsense. Stay there.
Mama, but this is not enough reason for you to leave now, eh? Mama. My worst pain is why did you tell Mama just back?
Again, go nesikwa. Hey! Agenede. Kolokotompom. Agenede. Kolokotompom. Agenede. Kolokotompom. Hey! Wanyaga. 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 Hey! Eh? Your mates are busy giving their husbands healthy children, footballers, medical doctors, lawyers. You are busy giving our husband fever. Hey! What kind of person are you? Always cooking bitter leaf soup because your heart is so bitter. Okay, beaver. Yeah. I'm not surprised though. I'm not surprised at all. When I heard you were pregnant, I was not surprised, not even for a bit. Because I already know that no matter how flooded a desert is, not even a single tree will grow there. Wanyaga.
Have you heard of zero fight?
Xenophile. What is that? Is it the name of your juju? Is it what a native doctor told you?
I know you will not understand because you are daft. Like you are not intelligent. So I shouldn't be stressing you on that. Because you just mentioned desert. You don't even know the significance of desert. Let me tell you. Xerophyte is a tree that grows in the desert. The most important part of that tree is that it grows even without water. It blooms. Now, let me tell you something. I know you've been ranting and saying all manner of things, but very soon, I can assure you that everyone, including you, will see me bloom. Just like Xerophyte.
What is this one saying? I want you to know that you're even speaking big grammar for me. Xenophile. Xenophobe. Give one xenophobia nke. No matter the English you speak, Kosara Chuku, it does not change you from being a barren woman. Wanyaga. A barren woman will forever be a barren woman. You are a fruitless tree. So stop speaking this your grammar. It will not help you. Eh? I said xenophobia. You are xenophobia, okay? You are a barren woman. No, a barren woman. What are you trying to cook? A barren woman will forever be a barren woman. This thing you're doing is a waste. You should go and be looking for how to give my husband chance. Or you carry your loads and go back to your father's house. Let me enjoy myself. You don't ever. I know that your family is cursed. There is nothing like grandchildren in your family. I already know that. So carry your kaya and go back. Go back. Xenophobia. You are who they do xenophobia for this house. Because you know I did not go to school. You want to finish me with Omomo Ibo. Who does that? Xenophobia is the why on Weber. Or since xenophobia. Look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself. Go back to your father's house. Go back. Or since xenophobia. Xenophobia is Kayaba. That is why your heart is so bitter. Fruitless tree. Fever, madam. That is what you are. My husband, are you the one wearing that strong perfume?
Of course I am the one. Why are you asking?
It smells so awful. I can't even stand the smell.
Bia. Oluchi, listen, I don't have strength for this fight this morning. But this is the same perfume I've been wearing since I got married to you into this house.
You're not even a romantic husband.
Akoko.
Huh? You saw me throwing up, but you never bothered to ask what the problem was.
And why will I be asking you what the problem was? Huh? Am I the one throwing up? Listen, I don't have strength for this fight now. I am going to the farm to check my traps. You can get dressed. Once I come back, I'll take you to the hospital. So I should start jumping. Smile, don't. Oh, baby. Baby. Hey, Mama, pick your call now. Hey, pick your call. Hey, Father Lord, Mama, there is good news. I have good news for you. Yes, God has finally remembered my family. Yes, so my wife is pregnant. It's not Kosarachuku. Oluchi, my second wife. She was having these symptoms of malaria and vomiting. I took her to the hospital and the doctors confirmed that she is 2 weeks pregnant already. Hi, Mama, now, how can you say it is fake? It is not fake, this is real. Listen, I made them run the test on her. Even when the first one finished doing the test, I made another doctor run another test again and they all confirmed it positive. Hey, Mama. Hi, Mama, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Oluchi is pregnant. I will soon become a father. All right, Mama. I'll call you back. Let me go and check on my wife. Yeah? Ngwanu, Mama. Hey! Oluchi!
Onya goziri agozi kambo. Onya goziri agozi kambo ewo. Onya goziri agozi kambo ni na-emewo Jehova. Ebe mbaba nsiri ike.
Oluchi. Oluchi. Kedekwan. Oluchi. I'm so excited. I'm so happy for you. Seriously. And I want to say thank you so much for salvaging my home from shame. Dalu, thank you.
Don't go that guy first. Because it's in my pia na mmanya. What is this one now? Get to Kangwai. You better come out from this your pretense. So stop with the pretense. Kosarachuku, I know you are not happy for me. Stop pretending to be happy. Stop pretending, Bikonu. I know that deep down your heart, Obineko iche. Obineko onafridi kose. So you better say that thing that is in your mind and stop pretending.
Oluchi, why won't I be happy? Am I not the person that brought you into my home? And the reason is because of this. So why will I be a sadist? Won't I be happy for you? Huh? My sister.
Now why will you be happy? No, answer me. Why will you be happy? You could not find it. And God gave it to me on a platter. So why will you be happy? Pico, as you can see, I am feeding myself and my unborn son. Dimpa. Afu dimpa afu ogonogimia. Oh, oilonea. Because we are feeding on this blood tonic. Bulo choge gafelo. Bulo choge gafelo before you turn my pregnancy into fever. Or better still, poison my drink. Biko, and stop touching. Negabanu, you are stressing me. You know you don't know what it feels like being
my dear,
pregnant.
Be happy for yourself and don't be a sadist.
You are the sadist.
Okay? Be happy.
Fruitless tree.
Look at
you. You're
still pregnant and you're nagging.
Biko Gafelo, you don't know what it feels like being pregnant, so you can't even nag. You can't nag. Something you have looked for months, years, you did not find. Because why am I even begging you? Prepare ukwa for me. Put on ubu. You cannot poison me. It's a lie. You will test it before I eat it. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. I don't even know if she places her poison in her finger. Yeah? That dibia that did the juju for you or man lelun. Want to kill me and my unborn child.
My love. What are you doing here now?
I'm hungry.
Hungry? Oh, you just ate a few hours ago now. Huh? Well, that shouldn't be a problem now. The pounded yam and nusala soup I made before, that you ate before, it's still remaining in the kitchen. Let's go inside so that you can eat.
I don't want to eat pounded yam. I don't want to eat pounded yam and the salad soup. My baby wants to eat jollof rice.
Yeah. Nah. John is jollof rice again now. How do you even know what the baby in your womb wants? Huh? Can the baby talk now?
Am I not the one pregnant? Oh, Lisa. See, whatever it is I am craving right now is what my baby wants. So this time around, my baby is tired of eating that tasteless salad soup that you made. Even the pounded yam, it's filled with seed. So I don't want it. My baby wants to eat jollof rice. Burnt jollof rice. The one that will be tasting like party jollof. That is what my baby wants. So if you're going now to cook it, after cooking the rice, cover it and leave it on fire. Make sure it gets burnt very well. Then you bring it down. I want to be perceiving the aroma from here. Yeah, go and cook it.
Which one is burnt jollof rice now? Huh? After eating that one, the baby will get dark now.
Are you not the one telling my baby what to eat, oh Lisa? You're wasting time, oh. If you stay here, my baby will just change his mind.
It's okay. I'll go now, prepare it.
Just stay here. Just go. And listen, I want juice when you finish. Onubu juice. So when you bring bitter leaf, squeeze out the water and then add sugar in it. That is what I want to eat the jollof rice with.
If you know you want to eat something sweet, just say you want to taste juice or mineral. Which one is bitter leaf? And still added it with sugar again.
Now listen, see that jollof rice? When you want to cook it, just add 5 seeds of salt. I did not say pinch, I said seeds. You count out 1 seed, 2 until it is 5. That is what I want. If it passes 5, I will know. So just cook it like that.
How do you want me to count salt?
I don't know for you. That is what I want. Just go and count 5 seeds of salt and add in that jollof rice. Make it burn, or it should taste like party jollof. There should be no pepper, but you will add pepper.
Ha! Nah. Which one is Zalai to burn? You want to turn the baby to a black man?
I told you what my baby wants. And make sure it's sweet, but don't add Maggi. Make sure it's sweet, but don't add Maggi.
It's okay, I've heard you.
Oh, Lisa, come. You see that jollof rice? After cooking it, I want you to remove the main rice. Keep it aside. If you want to throw it away, I don't care. You see that ike, that dark one? That is what I want. Carry it close to the toilet. That is where I want to stay and eat it. If you get to the toilet, open the door and keep it there. Then you come and call me. If you don't keep it there, I will not eat it too.
Sorry.
Do you want to shout?
No, I'm not shouting.
You're just being ungrateful. I'm carrying your child and you want to shout. I'm going to shout so that the baby will run.
No,
shout.
No, I won't shout again.
Don't touch my waist.
You said I should go and prepare rice for you now.
My waist first now. Before going, my baby wants you to touch my waist.
Nah.
Touch now, this place.
Nah.
You can't even do it. Common thing. Touch my. Just go and cook. Go, Biko. Touch someone's waist. You can't. You're doing as if the waist is scared of you. Abi, you are scared of the waist. But make sure that rice is sweet, oh. Don't forget, oh. You see that jollof rice? You will put no Maggi. Just put 5 seeds of salt. and my onubu juice with 5 cubes of sugar. Don't forget the toilet though. If nobody went to the toilet before you finish cooking, make sure you go there to shit though. I want to be perceiving the smell of shit while eating fresh shit. Just nukwa the sea of mao.
I have done all kind of things just to have a child, yet nothing to show. One more opposite reaches. Menenu mancha, menani okwechiri. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego magwa, my sweet marriage has become sorrowful to me. Kazimana Kosimonu, they are mocking me because of my childlessness. Hana muma watching me no one so. Remember me, oh Lord, Yeremaka Jimu, Bikono, Biko Amugomo. Onyen teramu bi teramu bomanya ogini kamere Papa Ramasi Makifiwa do not allow me to be put to shame. Oh, you're a I have prayed, I have cried, ebego magwa, mamwe kweranya. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego magwa, mamwe kweranya. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego magwa, mamwe kweranya. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego magwa, mamwe kweranya.
Olisa. Olisa. Is there a wheelbarrow coming behind you? Because I'm not seeing the bushmeat I requested for.
I actually went to the bush, but I got there now. My trap did not catch any bushmeat, so I had to come back home. You know how this thing works. It's 50-50. Today you might catch, tomorrow you won't see anything. That is it. I had to come back home.
Olisa, is it also 50-50 for you to walk straight from that bush to the market and buy the anunchi I requested for? Eh? No, tell me. Is it 50-50? Eh? anunchi, fresh anunchi. Iwala kanata na still 50-50. No, give me the reason you came back to this house empty-handed. No, I should eat you.
Enough of all this now. So I cannot come back to my house now to have peace. Eh? Listen, I came back home just to have rest. Not all this shouting. Remember, I did not sleep last night because I was attending to you. Eh? What's all this now?
You're still talking about sleep. Olisa, you are still talking about sleep. Now let me tell you, I am the first to get pregnant for you. Yes, I am the proof that you are a man, Olisa. Without me, everybody in this village will think you are impotent. I am carrying your child. Now listen, if you don't want me to turn this house upside down, if you don't want hell to let loose, run straight to the market and get the anunchi I asked for, because there will be no peace for you in this house. You are a wicked man. The Bible says no peace for the wicked. Because you are a wicked man, I will not let you have peace in this house. You are... You are stressing me. You are stressing me.
You see what you have caused now, eh? You need to take it easy now. Remember, you're pregnant.
You are a wicked man. You are very wicked. You know that I'm pregnant. You know what a pregnant woman. Just go.
Okay, I will go. My love, I got you the bushmeat. Look at it. In Anuch. What is it now?
Who's here? Olisa, what is that thing in your hands?
Bushmeat you asked me to go and buy now.
What am I doing with a wicked man in this house? Olisa, how sure are you that they gave you a fresh anuchi? I told you that I want Nkonya Malosubo. You went and bought a rotten anuchi. They're going to go to Siyama for
Nah. Can you do? Huh? Are you the first person to get pregnant? Since you got pregnant, I've not had peace in this house. Can you want to kill me?
Olisa, you are shouting at me. You are shouting at me, Olisa. You are very wicked. Men can be ungrateful.
Mommy.
Olisa. I am carrying your child. I am pregnant for real. I am not Kosara Chukwu that faked her pregnancy. When Kosarachi faked pregnancy, you did everything within your powers to make sure she is happy. And now that I am pregnant, you want to start acting funny. Now listen, Olisa. Everything I ask for in this house, I deserve them and even more. If I say that I want Pharaoh's head, you should go and get me Isi Pharaoh. In fact, this means stand up. Olisa, what I want is Isi Elijah. Huh? Go to the market and buy me Isi Elijah. If you don't buy it, don't return to this house.
Nah, what is all this now? Huh? Do they say share Elijah in the market?
Listen, let me tell you. Elijah where pattern at this house, you better sleep in that market because I will not let you enter this house. Did you hear what I said? If you can't buy Isi Elijah, sleep in the market. Rubbish! You should be happy that I am pregnant with your child. Ungrateful human being.
Nah. Do you want me to buy you share Elijah from now? Nah. Hey. Nah.
Kasarachi, what is happening in your family? I saw your husband in the market today, running desperately looking for a bushmeat to buy. When I asked him, he said it's a matter of life and death. But I didn't understand what he meant by that.
Njide.
My sister.
Njide, you're not far from the truth.
Really?
My friend, my dear friend,
Yeah.
Oluchi.
Yes.
My co-wife.
Yes.
The woman I brought into my home to salvage my home. You know about this
Yes,
story.
now. Why not? I know her.
She has virtually turned my husband into an errand boy.
You don't mean it.
There is nothing she don't tell my husband to do. And you know my husband, he's desperate. He needs children, you know. Then, I don't know what to say. I've never been pregnant before. I don't know what pregnancy is all about. In fact, that's what I'm praying to God to bless me with. Who am I to talk? So I don't know. I don't know what to do again. I have to just leave everything the way it is. I know it's not nice, but what will I do? Huh?
I understand your pain. But what I will advise you is that you need to caution her. Caution her seriously. So that she doesn't drive your husband crazy. For what? Eh? Do you want to lose your husband?
No.
Caution her seriously so that you enjoy yourself with your husband. Keep your husband to yourself. Please, be strong and be wise. Is that okay?
Thank you so much for your concern. Thank you.
Please, I feel for you.
It's okay.
Hmm?
Thank you, Njide.
Please go well, eh?
Okay.
Thank you, eh?
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Oluchi. Oluchi, people are watching. They are looking, they are watching. They are observing how awful you treat our husband. Not one, not two, not three. Why are you doing this?
You see your life? That is the only thing you are good at. Gossip. Asilibakute. The only thing you know how to do is to gossip. Nya, not one. Nya, not two. But simple as carrying your husband's child. It is difficult. Oh, you don't know kwasili na bayale. Rubbish.
Are you done? Are you done ranting like a mad woman that you are? Are you done? Look, I am not here for you to insult me just the way you used to insult me. I'm here to tell you to stop treating our husband the way you're treating him. Before you drive him crazy with your numerous demand and nagging. Don't you have conscience? Look at the other day, I saw him pacing around like a mad person, trying to please you, trying to give you everything you want. Is it a crime that he got you pregnant? I saw him the other day pacing around, looking for ways to please you. Is it a crime that he got you pregnant? Tell me, is it a crime?
Kosarachi, the only sin my husband committed is bringing a fellow man into this house under the umbrella of marriage. I don't blame you. You have never been pregnant in your entire life. The only thing that you have experienced is fever. Iba. You don't know how it feels to be pregnant. You've never been pregnant. Neither have you had miscarriage. Now let me warn you. This should be the very last time you walk up to me to speak to me of something you know nothing about. You've never been pregnant, so I don't expect you to know how I feel. Because the next time you try it in your miserable life, I will cut you into pieces. You see that Anunchi that only Sir could not bring home for me? I will turn you to Anunchi. And I will eat you raw without roasting you.
Are you done talking? You don't know your mates. You don't know who brought you into this house, right? Are you mad? Are you crazy?
No, you never
You don't know your place, right?
You open your eye for me.
If you try that,
she wants wants to remove my baby.
One is not a stupid one.
She wants to remove my baby.
Stop treating my husband that way.
She wants to remove my baby. You don't know how it feels to be pregnant. She wants to remove my pregnancy. I am pregnant. I am not you that said pregnancy. Why fever? I will not do anything. Look at you, your empty stomach. I am hearing the noise.
This is my son. I will kill you.
There is no child in your stomach at all. Look at you. You think I am you? I am not you. I will never be you. Listen, let me tell you. Children are crying on my waist. My grandmother gave birth to 40 children. My mother gave birth to 17 children. And I will give only 22. If I don't do it, it is very hot inside there. They want to come out. They want to come out. Do you know how many children that are in my womb? If a man no lisabue, mbuchia, one yam wants to leave my children. One
Mama, welcome. Mama, welcome. You want to do what? You want to carry bag? Look at them. Hey! See you. My beautiful wife. The only wife of this home. My only jewel. The one who has removed tears from my face. The person that has given me the platform of a very good grandmother. Hey! How? I cannot be up. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Hey!
It's okay. There's enough time for you to celebrate.
Yes, I know. And I also know that my son is a sharp shot.
Mama, you know.
Is it Oko? Or is it Okonkwa? Yeah? Hey! When he says the boy, one push. And the goal is what? Guarantee.
Mama, it's okay. Come inside. Let me carry you. My love.
Chalu. What are you talking? Mama. What are you talking? Come. Come. Be coming.
Mama,
Be coming.
This is not Jesus Christ.
Be coming. Here. My beautiful wife. The wife of this home. Chalu, just wait.
Another one.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Of course. I'm coming, just wait for her.
Mama, you even brought fish and dry fish.
I brought also.
Hey.
They are all there.
Okay.
Be coming. Yes. One. Plus also. Be coming. I said it. You have made me a proud grandmother. Hey, let me collect my
Mama, so I shouldn't cross.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Hey.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, welcome.
Do not allow me to be put to shame. Oh, you're a
Touch me.
Oluchi, come.
Mama.
problem? How did you get to her? Huh?
Yeah,
Labor!
Mama, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Wait. Just wait.
Mama, oh! What do we do now, eh?
Let's go. Take.
Go where?
No, this raise your leg.
I wear your slippers.
Wait. Yeah, let's go. No need. To the hospital, Olisa.
Oh yeah.
Olisa.
Olisa. Hospital.
Olisa.
Oh, Jesus.
Don't bite me. Bite your leg, Olisa. Don't bite me. Let's go. Go look for taxi, quick.
Okay, taxi.
Fast.
Taxi.
Fast, oh. Yeah. Fast. Let's go. Don't bite me, oh. Let's go. Gently. Gently. Go. Gently. Careful. Don't go. Sorry. Oh. Sorry. Gently. We soon get it. Oh, Lisa! Go and call your husband this week. Go and call your husband. Oh, Lisa! Be careful. Gently, my wife. Oh, my beautiful wife. Hey. Okay. Gently. No. Stand like a woman that you are. You are a woman. Okay. Hold on. No need for sleepers. Let's go. Lisa will soon come, yeah? Only don't worry, I'm standing behind you. Aluchi, I am here.
The taxi is here.
Okay.
Let me get
Let's go. Yeah, you are a woman. You are a woman. Don't cry. You don't have to shout.
Hey, we are coming now. We're coming. We are back home.
We are at it.
With our newborn
We are
baby.
it.
Eh?
Yeah,
Look at
Don't
my
work too much.
Eh?
Gradually.
Eh? Look at my daughter.
Hey.
She's carrying my face.
I'm telling you.
Eh?
Hey!
My
beautiful wife.
Where is this girl? We are back home. Hey, wait. We are back home. We are back.
Have you run mad? Eh? Mama Biko, carry my baby inside. I cover my daughter with the blood of Jesus. Why? Let you just see.
Leave that one. Just go to the kitchen, prepare hot
Hey,
water.
baby, let's go inside.
Let me tell her to prepare hot water.
No, don't worry, she has heard. He said you should prepare hot water.
Okay.
And please, I want pepper soup. Yam pepper soup.
Yam pepper soup.
Don't put too much pepper. Oh.
Put
Don't
ogiri
poison
okpe.
it. Baby, let's go inside.
Hey! Yes, so I am there, man. My love, mama.
My condition is getting worse day by day because I have no child. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego makwa, mamwe kwerabia. Abura fautuma. I have prayed, I have prayed, I have cried, I have ebego makwa, mamwe kwerabia. I have prayed, I have cried, ebego makwa. Oh God, hear my cry. I have done all kind of things.
What do you think you're doing? Wait. Hey! What do you think you're doing?
Your water is already boiled, so I decided to bring down your pot.
Hey! Is that where your witchcraft has gotten to? Eh? You think I don't know you want to poison the water I want to use to make pap for my daughter? You think I don't know?
May heavens forbid that. How can you say a thing like that, Oluchi? How can you say I want to poison your water? Why are you like this? Why are you saying this? I only actually helped you to bring down your pot.
Kosara Chukwu. On Sunday, you should go to your church and do Thanksgiving. If it is shrine that you worship, go there on Sunday and do Thanksgiving, because on a normal day, the normal me, Olu Chukwu, would have battered you with this hot water. Trust me, but I wouldn't do that. You know why? Because of the arrival of my priceless jewel. Someone. Oh, I am so happy, so overjoyed that I will forgive you for this mistake, but do not stretch your luck. Because the next time you try something synonymous to this, I will not only bat you with this hot water, I will use this red hot firewood to burn that cursed hand of yours, and I will plug your eyes out and give it to you.
I beg you, mind that kind of your. I don't like this. I don't like this.
The next time you try this thing you did, you will not like me.
Excuse me.
Amusu, you want to poison my child.
I can see you're ungrateful.
You want to poison my child. Swear, God forbid. It will not work for you. It will not work. It will not work for you. I cover you with the blood of Jesus. Amusu, you want to use your first hand and poison my child. It will not work, oh. My only child. Eh? You look near. I don't blame you. You don't know how hard it is to give birth to child. Oh, and that is why you want to kill my own child.
What am I doing here? What exactly am I doing here? I mean, you finally gotten what you wish for, what makes you a real man, and also what I already prayed and wished for you too. And that's the reason why we brought Oluchi into the picture. But since Oluchi came into the picture, you totally forgotten that you have another wife. So that's the reason I'm asking you, what am I doing here?
Yeah, Kosarachi, what is your problem? I mean, when did you turn into a nag? Yes! You're not the one who gave birth. You didn't even get pregnant, and yet you're nagging. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Huh? Are you not ashamed of yourself?
You call me a nag? You call me by my name, Kosarachi. I'm no longer your life. I feel useless in this house. I'm not even allowed to carry your child. To feel the warmth of her body. I'm not even allowed to look into her tender eyes. Maybe heavens might smile on me and give me my own child through her. You avoid me as a plague. I'm not a stranger in my husband's house. Why
you doing this? Why?
You put the baby like this and you put water. You understand? You put water into the baby's mouth. I have suffered. You. Yeah. Ho, 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 ho. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah.
Mama. Pregnant with fever.
Of course.
You married a drama queen.
Of course. This is another one. This is another fever. Maybe this time it's typhoid. You add typhoid to the fever.
Mom, very soon we will open a pharmacy in this house because all wokalese. Ogonudo. Business as usual.
Of course, that is it. Business as usual. That is it.
Hey, God, I beg.
They are mocking me because of my childlessness. Remember me, oh Lord. You remember.
My husband. No, welcome. Please, can you give me 1 minute, please? I want to talk to you, please. I know you are angry with me over so many things, but please, just hear me out. Oh? Please.
What is it?
I actually have something to show you.
Show me something. Does anything good come out from you?
Check it. Just look at it.
Oh, what is this?
Please, just look at it.
Wait. My life is this for real? Is this for you?
Yes! Yes! Mama! Mama! Mama, come on! Hey! Mama, come on! Mama, go! Mama, go! Mama, my life is pregnant. Kosara Chukuma is pregnant. Mama, why are you pushing her now? She's pregnant. Eh? Only
Olisa, why are you shouting like a demented cow? I want to know. Are you sure?
Mama, look at it. Look at this test result. It's our result.
Because live there. Is this the first time? I hope this is not another fever pregnancy. Is this not another fever pregnancy? What is...
Mama, this is not fever. Look at it now. It has her name on it. Look at it. Positive.
Yeah.
Yes. Mama, we are back. We are back. And I know this time my life will give me a son.
Hey! So it is true.
Yes, sir, Mama.
It is true.
Yes, sir.
It is true. I hope it is true.
This one is not fever.
This one is not fever.
It's not fever.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down.
Mama,
Sit
sit
down.
Yes,
Sit down.
Let me see, let me see.
Eh? Look at it. Hey, my life. Hey.
So, give me message. Eh? So, because she is pregnant, that is why you want to wake my daughter from sleep with your shout. Is Kosarachukwu the first person to get pregnant in this house? I was the first to take in, and I gave birth to a bouncing baby girl. Nwajuleju, you saw how healthy my baby is, and you can still see because you've not gone blind yet. You can see how healthy my daughter is. Are you even sure she's pregnant? Are you sure it's not fever? Maybe this time it's typhoid and malaria.
Come on, shut up your dirty mouth. You're happy you gave birth to a bouncing baby girl. My life is pregnant and I know she will give me a bouncing baby boy. Huh? My life is pregnant. Mama, life is Swahili.
Idiot. Anumpa.
Look at it.
Hey, you are stressing yourself. And you're telling like that engine that used to grind the apple. Idiot, are you the only person to get pregnant?
Oh.
Are you the first person to give birth to children? I'm asking you. You're looking at me overfed baby. Bush baby, you're opening your eyes.
Mama, how can an old woman like you be acting like a chameleon? Why are you like this? Few minutes ago, you were pampering me, asking me to walk with one step. The other should come next. Now it is Kosarachukwu. What kind of a mother are you?
Shut up, Mechuanuki, idiot. Just shut it up before I remove the content of that your mouth. And I've told you several times. Overfed baby. You are shouting, papa, 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 like that machine that grinds up. Hey, Mama, are you okay? Yes, I am moving like a chameleon because you will not stand in one place and watch the dance of the masquerade.
Yes.
If it is true here, I go there. If it is true here, I come there.
Yes.
River Benue, I can bend any side.
Exactly.
I'm not here. Yeah!
You gave us a baby bouncing girl and you
Enter.
My life will give me a bouncing baby boy.
Enter.
Hey, my love, enter.
Let's go.
Enter, oh.
Mama, my waist.
Sit down again. Coco.
Wait for me, I'm coming.
My tummy. Mama, my waist.
My love,
My waist.
what is wrong?
No, wait for me. Wait, just keep the two of them. I'm coming.
Mama.
I'm not here.
Mama.
Just wait for me.
You just gave
You can
birth.
only talk.
Yes.
You just gave birth,
It's the
so
pain.
where's the pain coming from?
The pain, my waist.
Come on, your hand. Oh, sorry, my life.
Your waist up here. Your waist. Stand up, your waist. Your waist, you just get
You just birth.
inside.
Huh?
Inside.
Mama.
Inside, Mama.
Mama, why you like this now?
Idiot, you're an idiot.
Why you like this?
You're an idiot.
You want to flog me with this thing, knowing fully well I just gave birth to a child. Why are you treating me like this? Because Kosarachukwu is pregnant, you're not even sure if she's pregnant or not, and you're treating me like this. This is so unfair. This is so unfair.
My life is Swahili.
Olisa.
Because I don't like you alone, because
My life.
see this laugh, I will laugh. Don't worry, Madam Fever.
It's not me,
Another result will come
Get
out.
up. Get up, let's go inside.
The gentle stride of the tigress has been mistook for cowardice. The serpent has been used to tie firewood by little children because it refused to show the potency of his deadly venom. Great one, Ohamadike, Nupu Manwu, body. It is time for you to show them. Show them that the lethal tongue of the serpent is something to be very afraid of. Show them your power. Show them your power.
My friend, do you not see the new guy that came in town?
I saw him yesterday.
See this car. He was driving that big car.
You are big.
Yes, so
You are big.
yes. Don't you want to leave this village?
No, I mean,
You
I
want
my Emeka. Emeka is okay for me. Wait.
see?
Don't they shout?
Me, I'll go to the city. When I come back, I'll buy you fine clothes. By then you'll be begging me, take me to the city now.
I don't want to go.
Hey, Jesus Christ. See, look at her. She has been pregnant for God so no outlaw. One and how many years now?
It's been over a year.
My sister, see me. Is she carrying a baby or a stone?
Which kind of pregnancy is that?
My sister, Chom, if I were high, I would have long aborted this pregnancy.
You cannot be in her shoes.
I don't want to be her shoes.
You cannot be in her shoes. That woman is going through a lot in her husband's house. That woman is going through a lot. You don't understand.
My sister, I don't want to understand.
You
Let's go. Go, come, let's go in.
I beg you.
Olisa, I am scared. If you are not scared, Olisa, I am scared. The situation on ground is like a time bomb that is going to explode any time from now.
Mama, I don't think you're even as scared as I am.
Yeah.
I am the man here. I know what I pass through when I walk down the village path. People point fingers at me.
Exactly.
Mama, I just don't know what else to do again. I have advised this woman to come with me to the hospital so that they can operate this thing she's carrying inside her womb. Oju, can you just recount me?
Over my dead body.
Oh.
That will never happen.
Okay.
I have been humiliated, rejected, insulted, ill-treated, and spat upon in my matrimonial home because I could not get pregnant. Now that I'm pregnant, you still want me to go through this process to do what? Let me tell you, whether this is a child or a vampire, I will give birth to it. And that's a promise.
Nah. Hey!
Kosalachi, what have we done to you? What wrong have we done? What is it? During your years of barrenness, we did not throw you out of the house.
Oh.
We did not send you packing. Kosalachi. You are now pregnant with a curse. Not only to this family, not only to this household, to the entire community.
The gift of a child is never a curse. It is a blessing.
What is a blessing, Kosorachi? Can you even hear yourself talk? What is a blessing? This cursed thing in your womb. A blessing? Nah. What is a blessing?
So you don't know? Are you an alien? You don't know the consequences of what you are carrying.
Mama,
you don't know the difference between tradition and cross country.
2 years. 2 years. 2 years. She's still calling it a blessing. Continue.
Are you an alien? I'm asking you.
Oh. Nah.
My husband, I have come to collect money to buy drugs that the doctor has prescribed for me. I need to take drugs. You know I'm pregnant.
No! No! Mama, you hearing this rubbish woman? Eh? Are you mad? Eh? What is even wrong with you? I should give you my hard-earned money for you to feed this cursed thing in your womb. Over my dead body, I will not do that. And listen, let me tell you. The earlier you start making plans of getting rid of that rubbish in your womb, never you ask me for a dime. Nah.
You are looking at me. At least you understand the language you spoke. Get out. Sebapo.
There is a thing.
Go on, sit down.
Now what I'm carrying is a thing. Hi! Kasarachi. Help! Hey! Kasarachi.
Mama, we're sorry that you had to go through all this torture all alone.
Ma, we promise to be here for you at all times. You know.
I know.
Days of wicked ones are numbered. Just for a little while, all that goes around will surely come around. The days of wicked ones are numbered. Just for a little while, all that goes around will surely come around. No hiding place for wicked people. No hiding place for your joy. One day, you must surely pay with your own life.
Is something wrong with you?
Huh? Are you mad? Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Come on, I got you a cup. I know you're gonna like it.
I just lost the child and you are getting me a car? What is wrong with you?
It's just a car.
I am mourning my son! And you think getting me a car is the best thing you can do?
Come on.
Why do you keep doing this? Why do you keep getting me gifts each time I lose my child?
Donald. Go upstairs. Now. Be fast about it.
Answer me. Why do you keep doing this?
And why will you say that in front of my child?
Because I'm tired. I've lost it already. Why do you keep getting me a gift each time I lose my child?
I've problem now. If I want to end my wine, no day to the after.
Why do you keep doing this?
They are blessings from above, gifted from home, full of visions, indestructible. Oh, mistrust children, mistrust gifted from the womb.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Okay, join me. Let's eat pancake, okay? Or is it to drink, Gary?
But Mama, this was what you said yesterday. Pankani was all we had. Now we're going to stop living like this now.
Ma, how can we have a father yet we are still eating like children that were picked up at the roadside? Mama, I'm hungry.
Shut up. Will you shut up? Are you insinuating that I brought you into this world to suffer? Look, I can tolerate anything from you, whatever you say to me, but I will never tolerate you telling me that I failed my responsibility as a mother. Because you know that I'm not.
Mama, I'm sorry. That was not what I meant.
Mama, you've been the most amazing mother to us since birth. And if there's a true definition of mother's love, that is the love you've shown us.
Yes, Mama.
We love you for that.
We love you so much.
So what are you both going to eat now?
Mama, anything you can afford.
Anything you can afford.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, join me. Let's eat pancake. At least let's use that gari in the cupboard and drink it for now.
Okay.
By nightfall we'll look for another thing to eat.
Okay, Mama.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you.
So we'll drink that gari in the cupboard.
Okay.
Okay, where is it to drink gari?
Yeah, come here, chicken. Let's go.
Where are you going
Mama,
to?
Don't worry, Mama. We'll be back.
Are you
We're
sure?
coming back. Yes, Mama.
What is this? No, I'm asking you. What is this? You are looking at me. You are looking at me. I'm asking you what is this?
Mama!
You are looking at me.
Mama!
Stop this! You are looking at me, Akoya. Hanofia. Step up, Mama. Idiot. Pamoye.
Mama.
Mama, what is this?
Seedless pumpkin.
Mama, what is this?
Just keep that one in your mouth. Keep it sealed up. If you open the eye of my mouth of this, I will blast you.
Mama, this is not right, too.
Keep quiet about this, Mama. Yeah. Nonsense. Mama, what is it? I'm not here. What is it?
Mama, stop now! Stop it! Stop this! Mama, stop!
What?
Stop this now!
I will not stop it.
Stop!
I'm not fear. Idiot, you're here. Don't worry. We will see.
Stop all this now! Stop now!
I'm not stopping anything.
Eh?
I'm not stopping anything. This seedless pumpkin, empty bottle.
Olisa bought the same clothes for you. The clothes he bought for me, go dialogue. am here to give your husband children. But you see, henceforth, I, Oluchukwu, will be your worst nightmare. I will make this house a living hell for you. You will regret coming into this house because I will not allow a barren woman like you.
They are blessings from above, gifted from womb, full of visions, indestructible. Oh, mistrust children, mistrust.
Mama, good afternoon. Mama, you're back.
Where did you go to?
Mama, take now.
Is that no food?
Yes, what else?
Like food?
Yes, it's food.
Where did you get money to buy this food?
Mama, just eat. You know you have not eaten since yesterday. Just eat.
Answer me, where did you get money to buy this food?
Later I will tell you, just eat.
I cannot eat. How can I eat what I don't know?
Mama, later I will tell you where we got the money.
Just
eat.
I know you will tell me the truth. Where did you get money to buy this food? Talk to me.
Like she said, we did not steal any money. Just eat, please. Only you come, let's eat. Oh, if you don't eat, you don't eat too. Mama,
eat.
I am sorry, I'm not eating. I'm not eating again.
Where are we eating?
Yeah, eat. Stop saying you eat. Eat now.
Ma, eat. Why are you crying? Stop going to cry.
No, don't cry.
Mama.
They are blessings from above, gifted from womb, full of visions, indestructible. Mistrust children, mistrust gifted from the womb. What the confused, what the confused, gifted from the womb. Full of visions, indestructible. Mistrust children, mistrust children.